Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Spotify's login issues. If you're having trouble with logging in into Spotify, don't worry, I'll show you quick fixes to solve it fast. So let's get started. First, make sure you are entering the correct username and password. If you signed up with Google or Apple, then tap the right option instead of typing manually. Second, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, clear Spotify, Sketch and app data. Go ahead and open your settings and then search for iPhone storage or storage, and then scroll down for Spotify and then click on the offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if that did not help, go ahead and then delete and reinstall your Spotify app and then reinstall it with all the bug fixes. Now, if that still does not work, reset your password at spotify.com. Sometimes login issues happen after password changes or account security checks. Now that's it. Try these steps and you should be able to get back your playlist in no time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel.